Hello everyone, it's me, your wonderful host. I'm going to be showing you another Lego set. Here is the Quetzalcoatlus plane ambush, and I'm going to be building it for you today. And of course, we're going to take it out. Ugh. And should be able to open up and Quetzalcoatlus way. You got the parts of it, and you got the Quetzalcoatlus body, stickers, and well, that was all. So, well, as you see, now let's get to the time-lapse video. Well, I finished the set, and here is the Quetzalcoatlus plane ambush. So, we have here the Quetzalcoatlus. It's a huge figure. It's like, I've never had a flying pterosaur figure this big, but it's like huge. It's like large. Like, it's so large. Its wingspan is almost as long as the plane. So, and in real life, this pterosaur was like huge. So, and you can go like, and it's pretty big too. It's really cool. And you put the pterosaur there, and then we have Claire Deering again. The second set. No, not the second set. Yeah, it's the second set that she comes in. She's always in like almost all the sets. Well, because she's one of the main characters. And you have Owen Grady. Yeah, pretty much like the Atrociraptor bike chase. And Giganotosaurus variant. And then you have Kayla Watts, the second figure of Kayla Watts. And of course, Kayla Watts is playing her baby. So you know it's a... in real life, this plane is a C-19 Fairchild boxcar, air boxcar, something like that. And it's a cargo plane from World War II or something like that. But here is the plane in the flash. It's pretty cool. It's got the front, and then you got the back. You can go like this. It's a cargo plane, so you can put this thing in here. It has a flashlight, fire extinguisher. You can put in here. Close it up, and close the top. And then you've also got the front of the airplane. It's has got the cockpit. You can put two figures in the back. So you can get Kayla Watts here. You can sit her down. She can be piloting her plane. It's pretty cool. She can be piloting her plane, and she can be holding it like kind of like that. It's not the greatest, most perfect thing, but then you can put Claire, Miss Deering. She's not listening. Miss Deering. You get Miss Deering, and then you get Owen, and then you can put Owen right here, and then they can be like kissing in the back of maybe if you want, and then you have the airplane. You can take off. But then the cool thing about this set is, if you've seen the movie, I've seen the movie, it's pretty good, is that the Quetzalcoatlus comes, does like a hole in the top, but then it also does this. You can go like, it's kind of hard, you can go like, yeah, it's big, but basically you can go like that, and break the engines off like the movie, and they crash. So that's the set of basically, and you have like it's a really cool function on that you can make the planes crash scene, recreate it, and then you have the Quetzal on top. So the Quetzal here. So thanks for watching.